Hey, welcome back. Hey trendsetters, it's Cammy here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are staying safe. I hope you are staying healthy, washing them hands. But in all seriousness, I hope that you all are practicing good hygiene and cleanliness just during this time of being quarantined. I wanted to use this time to show you my facial routine. You know, sometimes I may not make time just because I'm busy to basically practice self-care, pour that energy back into myself, that happiness, that joy, those things that make me happy. And keep in mind, self-care is different for everybody. So, you know, you can pick and choose things that you want from this video. Maybe not use it at all, but usually I do a daily skin routine, but I took it up a notch just because of this time of us being quarantined. And I just wanted to just bring you guys in here to show you that, you know, usually, like I say, I don't take time to self-care and tap into what makes me happy spiritually, mentally, physically. And so skincare routine is definitely one of those things that I do to tap into that. All right, let's go ahead, get started. But before we do that, make sure you hit that subscribe button to all of you who are stumbling across this video and, you know, join the party. Why not? And also you can follow me on my social media pages, including my Instagram, to continue to join the party. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first we're gonna go ahead, take out those makeup wipes, which I have here. We go tie that hair. You know, I'm gonna give a little dance on for a little bit, and we're just getting started here. So yeah, I'm feeling like TLC right here, no lie. Oops. This is literally what I do in my bathroom with my brush, acting like I'm in a concert. You know, I've been like this since I was little. But let's go ahead, wash that face. We go rinse it off with some water here before we go ahead and take that makeup wipe to then take off any excess dirt or makeup. You know, make sure you get in those pores. Get that glue off my eyelashes, because I do wear fake lashes every day. So we got to make sure we do that and dance some more. Yes, okay, yeah. All right, let's get this daily scrub. My sister gave me this, and that's what I usually start out officially. So we go scrub, 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 get in them pores, get in there, okay? Get it clean, get that face, and then we rinse again. I don't like this part because it makes me feel like I'm suffocating for some reason, even though I do know how to swim, y'all, I promise. I don't know. And then we just go dab and tap the face. You know, professionals or experts say you shouldn't rub it so you can keep your skin looking fresh. So next we're gonna get this clay mask. It's avocado and oatmeal. And I don't do this every day. I either do this face mask on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then pick a special day of the week. But you know, this is special time. And then of course, play your jam. This right here is Beyonce's Before I Let Go. You just gotta have a party. Like, this is just you, yourself, and you. Like, me, myself, and I, we go get down. Yes, with the face mask, with the dance moves. Let's get it. Ooh, with the shoulder, and then we go rub some more of that mask on there after we get a little jam session in. And I mean, this is just you time. Like, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth. They say for those who don't have a job or do have a job, it's good to stay in the routine. And then go ahead and rinse that mask off. Yes, we doing it. Hey, we making it through. We having self-care. Okay, this is my favorite. This is the rose petal mist that I use. I actually use it every day. It makes me feel so fresh. It's a spray that just, ooh, my sister introduced it to me, so thank you. And then we go let it air dry. Take that hand, let it dry. And just like that, we done. We done. Get it, girl. We fresh. We feeling cool. We feeling snatch. All right. Make sure you guys continue to do you, because you're all that and some. Don't let anybody tell you any other. And until then, trendsetters, I will see you in the next video. Take care.